You don't need a fortune to start investing. Many people think that investing is only for the wealthy, but that's a misconception. The truth is, anyone can start investing, regardless of their financial situation. Even with just $100, you can begin your journey to financial freedom. This small amount can be the foundation of your future wealth. It's all about taking that first step and being consistent. Think of that $100 as a seed. Just like a seed needs the right conditions to grow, your investment needs time and care to flourish. Just like a tiny seed can grow into a mighty tree, your small investment can blossom into significant wealth over time. Patience and persistence are key. The growth may not be immediate, but with time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. The key is to plant that seed and nurture its growth. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can make a big difference. Think of it as watering your financial garden. Many people believe they need thousands of dollars to enter the world of investing. This belief can be a barrier, preventing them from taking that crucial first step. This simply isn't true anymore. With the advent of technology and various investment platforms, starting with a small amount is more accessible than ever. You don't need to be wealthy to start investing. What you need is the right mindset and the willingness to take that first step. It's about making smart choices and being consistent. What you need is a willingness to learn and a commitment to growing your money over time. Educate yourself, stay informed, and make informed decisions. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. In the world of investing, that first step can be as simple as investing your first $100. It's a small step, but it's a significant one. In the world of investing, that first step can be as simple as investing your first $100. It's not about the amount, it's about taking action. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's not about the amount, it's about taking action. Every small step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Consistency and dedication are your best allies. This is your journey to financial freedom, and it starts with that first crucial step. Embrace the process, stay committed, and watch your investments grow over time. Let's explore how you can turn that $100 into something truly significant. With the right strategies and a bit of patience, your small investment can lead to substantial financial growth. Let's clear the air about some common investing myths. One big misconception is that investing is only for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Investing is for everyone, regardless of income level. Another myth is that you need to be a financial expert to invest. While it's important to educate yourself, you don't need a finance degree. There are plenty of resources available, from books and websites to financial advisors, that can help you make informed decisions. Some people believe that investing is too risky. While all investments carry some level of risk, diversification and long-term strategies can mitigate those risks. Don't let fear hold you back from growing your wealth. Remember, knowledge is power. By educating yourself and seeking guidance when needed, you can overcome these myths and confidently embark on your investment journey. Investing has never been more accessible. Thanks to technology and the rise of online brokerages, you can now invest in a variety of assets with just a few clicks. Gone are the days of needing a broker and paying hefty fees. These platforms provide user-friendly interfaces, educational resources, and low or even no commission trading. This has truly democratized investing, making it easier than ever for beginners to get started. With a smartphone or computer and an internet connection, you can open an account, research investments, and execute trades from anywhere in the world. This level of accessibility has empowered a new generation of investors to take control of their financial futures. The world of investing is now at your fingertips. Take advantage of the tools available and explore the possibilities that await you. It's natural to worry about losing money when you invest. The stock market can be volatile and prices fluctuate. However, it's essential to remember that investing is a long-term game. Don't focus on short-term market swings. Instead, adopt a long-term perspective. History has shown that the market tends to go up over time, even with periods of decline. When you invest for the long haul, you give your investments time to weather market volatility and generate returns. Patience and discipline are key. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs. But if you stay focused on the long term, you're more likely to reach your financial destination. Now that you understand the importance of investing, let's explore some options for investing small amounts. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating or require a large sum of money. There are several avenues available that cater specifically to small investors, allowing you to grow your wealth gradually over time. Stocks. You can buy fractional shares of companies you believe in, even if you can't afford a whole share. This means you can start investing with as little as a few dollars. Fractional shares allow you to own a piece of high-value stocks without needing to buy a full share, making it accessible for everyone. This allows you to invest in companies like Apple or Amazon with a smaller budget. By owning fractional shares, you can still benefit from the growth and dividends of these large companies, even if you start with a modest investment. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs are like baskets of stocks or bonds that track a particular index or sector. They offer a simple way to invest in a diversified portfolio without having to pick individual stocks. This can be particularly beneficial for small investors who want to spread their risk across multiple assets. They are a great way to diversify your portfolio with a single investment. By investing in ETFs, you can gain exposure to a wide range of assets, which can help mitigate risk and improve your chances of achieving steady returns over time. Robo-advisors. If you're new to investing or prefer a hands-off approach, robo-advisors can be a great option. These automated platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio for you. They take into account your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment horizon to tailor a strategy that suits your needs. These automated platforms create and manage a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They continuously monitor and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it stays aligned with your objectives, making investing easier and more accessible. These are just a few examples, and the best option for you will depend on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. It's important to consider your financial situation, investment goals, and how much time you can dedicate to managing your investments. Remember to do your research and choose investments that align with your financial goals. Take the time to understand the risks and potential returns of each option, and don't hesitate to seek advice from financial professionals if needed. Investing wisely can help you build a secure financial future, even with small amounts. In the race to build wealth, slow and steady wins. The key to successful investing is not about trying to get rich quick, but about consistent investing over time. Even small contributions add up over time, especially when combined with the power of compound growth. Compound growth is essentially earning interest on your interest, and it's a powerful force in building wealth. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger. The same principle applies to your investments. The longer you invest, the more your money has the potential to grow exponentially. Patience and consistency are your greatest allies in this journey. Stay disciplined, stay invested, and let time work its magic. Let's look at a real-life example of someone who started small and achieved significant financial success. This story is about perseverance, smart financial decisions, and the power of consistent investing. Meet Sarah. Sarah was a recent college graduate working as a barista. Like many young adults, she had student loans and a modest income, but she was determined to take control of her financial future. She didn't have much money to spare, but was determined to start investing. Sarah began by educating herself about personal finance and investment strategies. She read books, attended seminars, and followed financial experts online. She started by setting aside $50 from each paycheck and investing it in a low-cost index fund through an online brokerage. This small but consistent effort was the beginning of her investment journey. She consistently contributed to her portfolio even when she got a raise or received a bonus. Instead of increasing her spending, she increased her investments, understanding the long-term benefits of compound growth. Fast forward 20 years, and Sarah's consistent investing, combined with the power of compound growth, had turned her small, regular contributions into a substantial nest egg. Her disciplined approach paid off significantly. She was able to retire early and comfortably pursue her passions. Whether it was traveling, spending time with family, or engaging in hobbies, Sarah had the financial freedom to live life on her terms. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that you don't need to be wealthy to build wealth. Her journey shows that with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial success. With discipline, patience, and a commitment to consistent investing, you can achieve financial freedom, no matter where you start. Sarah's success story is an inspiration for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. You don't need to wait to start investing. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Even with just $100, you can take the first step towards securing your financial future. Remember, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Thanks to technology, it's more accessible than ever before. Don't let myths or fear hold you back. Educate yourself, seek guidance when needed, and start investing today. The path to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today, and let your journey to wealth begin. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.